union hanner awr di chwarae. Meir ni chyfryd i ac yn taro'r trawst hefyd. Cicri dda gan Benir, safle canolog, ar chwarae'r troedd dde bron a rhwydo. Harrison. Hart, digonedd o le, Fil allan i warchod. O'r 1-2 o gwmpas i Jamie Fil, cyfle nawr i Hart fesur y croesiad. At y postyn cynta, Jack Kenny! Dwi'n yn siŵr os fydda'r golwr di cyrraedd honna, tasau ar y nod. Peniad hawdd i Wilde i hennill. Jenkins a peniad nôl allan oedd Mike Wilde, mae o mor beryglus, Michael Wilde. Mae'r ergyd yna yn llithro heibio'r postyn. Ni wedi chwarae 2 funud dros y 90, arfod dafliad Phillips i mewn. Zabert yn gweud yn dda. Meir yn triadferi. Allan am gic gol. Cyffyrddiad gan Phillips, na cic gornel i i'r Fflint, fydd na un cyfle ola. Sam Phillips yn cadw gafel ar y bil. Alex Jones yn ei ddyrnu ar y llawr. Nawr te, be fydd lliw y cerdyn gyda dyfarnwr. Melyn o'r bocol, nod i Phillips mae'r cerdyn. Wel, dwi'n siŵr beth nath Phillips o'i le. Jones yn ei ddyrnu a'i daflu'r llawr. Cic gornel. Fi wedi chwarae 3 munud dros y 90 bellach. Mae golwr yn dod yn methu chalu, a mae'r bil yng nghefn y rhwyd. Alex Jones ar bil dros y llinell. Mae chwaraewyr Aberystwyth yn teiri bod yna lawio, a dwi'n meddwl mod i'n cytuno gyda nhw. Jones ar y postyn pella yn defnyddio ei law i rwydo.
3 points are really important. It's going to be a very competitive league. You can see that from today's game. I've been so impressed with Aberystwyth in the games that I've seen this season. They were unlucky last week against Conisky in some aspects. We knew we were going to have to work really hard to get anything out of the game today. I thought we had lots and lots of half chances, entries into the box, and sometimes you can feel like it's not quite going to be your day. And then obviously the lads' desire and effort and energy has found us, another opportunity right at the end, and we've taken it, and we're obviously over the moon and overjoyed with the 3 points.
Oh, I'm still gutted now, to go and put a shift in like the boys did today, and then go and concede in the 92nd, 93rd minute. It took everything out of us, and like I say, I can't fault the boys' effort. They were tremendous throughout the whole game, but yeah, to lose a game like that is never nice.
I know it's early season, but top of the league?
Yeah, I mean, top of the league, fantastic after 3 games, but as we well know, the league doesn't really take its shape, does it, until everyone's played each other. Maybe after 10-12 games you start to have an indication of where teams are at, and we know that we've got a reset now because Tuesday is as difficult as they come really with TNS away. So we've got to get together again on Monday, have a game plan and go again ready for Tuesday night.
The goal came in the last seconds of the game. There were rumours that it was handled. What was your verdict?
To be honest, I didn't see, so I wouldn't like to comment. One of the other boys just come in now, and they said that they've spoken to a few people and they've seen it, and they said it was a handball. But we can't always rely on it, can we? We can't always rely on it. Like you say, they're going to get some right, some wrong. Unfortunately, if it is a handball, they've got it wrong. Ultimately, we've lost the game of football, but the performance was good.